AutoZone, we have a big decliner. This has been the big bull bellwether with the high of 32.56. Boy, they're buying auto parts. Here we are testing that 10-day simple moving average. We've had a big reversal. This dropped on Friday $41. That's what happened with them AutoZone. So when AutoZone has this correction, we're going to buy the dip. There's that 20-day. We have a 2-day sell signal. Every time you don't buy the dip, you miss out on big trades. We will use the option market right over here to buy the April contracts, and we will buy and give those orders out. They're very cheap, $2.70 by $5.70. They don't have to be in the money to make money, but let's get back to this daily chart. We have a 2-day sell signal. Once again, sign up for that free 5-day trial. Step it up with Tommy Trader. Don't hesitate. Don't wait.